Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today, third day of the presentation, paper number 108. My topic is the role of women in Hemingways for whom the bell tolls. This is my personal information. This is the table of content which I discuss. First, brief information about the Ernest Hemingway. I'm not more about say because Jatin and Divya mentioned. Full name Ernest Miller Hemingway. He was an American novelist, short story writer, and a journalist. He awarded notable awards Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1953 and second Nobel Prize in Literature 1954. Brief in the Spanish Civil War, 1936. The Spanish Civil War begins pitting the left-wing Republican government against the right-wing nationalist forces led by General Franco. 1937, the setting of For Whom the Bell Tolls as the Robert Jordan joins a guerrilla band to carry out a mission against the nationalists. 1938, the Spanish Civil War ends with the nationalist victory, leading to the establishment of the Franco dictatorship that would last until 1975. On a brief overview of the novel For Whom the Bell Tolls, written by Ernest Hemingway, published in 1940. In the setting set near the Segovia, Spain in 1937 during the Spanish Civil War. Robert Jordan, an American teacher, joined the Loyalty Army during the Spanish Civil War. The story unfolds over the course of Jordan's 72 hours at the guerrilla camp. During this time, Jordan falls in love with Maria, a woman who has suffered from the brutality of fascist soldier. Jordan successfully destroyed the bridge, but he injured in the process. Despite his injuries, Jordan declares his love for Maria once more and prepares to face the approaching fascist troops and his unavoidable death. This information I taken Britannica. Two female characters, Pilar and second Maria. The Pilar is the wife of Pablo, experienced leader to the guerrilla group who serve as the maternal figure and moral compass for the other characters. Second Maria, a young woman who is rescued by the guerrilla bands and undergoes the dramatic transformation, finding her own strength and agency. First, Pilar. Pilar is the large, masculine-looking peasant woman, the gypsy wife of Pablo. She is strong and committed to the Republican cause, unlike the apathic Pablo. Pilar laments her lack of physical beauty, but he is determined and unwavering in his principle. Pilar defies traditional gender norms and emerges as a powerful, almost mystical character. Pilar mystical powers. She can read the future and sense Robert Jordan impending death. This information I take Dr. H.K. Jha. Pilar dominates much of the story and represents the enduring powerful spirit of the Spanish people. She has been the mistress of some truly great men and maintains control over the band, including the Riquel Pablo. Pilar provides perspective and wisdom to the younger Maria, helping her come to the terms with the experience and love for Robert Jordan. Pilar is described as the more fully blown of the enduring Spanish woman character Hemingway created. This information I taken Conway Jester article. Second, Maria. Maria is a submissive, calm female lead in Hemingway for whom the bell tolls. She falls unconditionally in love with the protagonist Robert Jordan as the first sight. Maria represents Hemingway's ideal of a man's woman who devoted herself completely to her lover without challenging his dominance. Maria completely a once man woman says that girl. Physically, Maria has androgynous trait like short hair, but her personality remains passive and dependent on the robot and the older, more powerful female character, Pilar. I taken this information, Dr. H.K. Jha. Maria represents the victimized a resilient Spanish woman emerging from the ashes of her torture to find love with Robert Jordan. Maria's simple yet unwavering devotion to Jordan makes their love story within the larger context of the novel. I taken this information, Conway, just an article. Both characters, Pilar and Maria, similarity. First, androgynous appearance. Both Pilar and Maria, uh, both female characters, appearance and hair cut short over their heads. Second, Pilar masculine quality and Maria feminine quality. Second, relationship with the male protagonist. Both women are close to protagonist of Robert Jordan. Pilar supports to guide Jordan to revolutionary mission. Say, while Maria surrenders herself to love with physically and emotionally Jordan. This information I taken Dr. H.K. Jha. Difference Pilar and Maria. First, behavior. Pilar masculine, dominant, and determined character. While Maria is a submissive, calm, and dependent woman. Mystical supernatural abilities. Pillar to mystical to see a future for Robert Jordan impending death. While Maria not supernatural powers, symbolic representation represent the more masculine self-assured female archetype in Hemingway's work, while Maria embodies the more submissive, calm female character. They align with the Hemingway's idealized vision of the perfect woman. Pilar, a strong, independent woman, she decide everything to on perspective. They, while Maria to dependent on Robert Jordan. Conclusion: in For Whom the Bell Tolls, Pilar and Maria symbolize contrasting aspects of femininity amid Spanish Civil War. Pilar embodies strength, independence, and mysticism, while Maria represents gentleness, devotion, and resilience. Pilar defines gender norms, guides the protagonist, and holds influence over the group, while Maria's identity revolves around her love for Robert Jordan. Despite their androgynous appearance, their personalities and role diverge, showcasing the complexity of human experience in the face of war and adversity. This is the reference. Thank you. If any question, you ask.
Kushi, how does Hemingway use Pilar and Maria as a vehicle to explore resilience, power dynamic, and agency within the context of war and love?
Hemingway used Pilar and Maria resilience, power dynamic, and agency with the context of war. Contrasting a Pilar is a mystical power to show the Robert Jordan death with Maria to both strong and supporting to Maria, gender identity and realities.
So, Kushi, my question is what ways does Maria's relationship with Robert Jordan reflect Hemingway's idealized vision of love and femininity?
Yes, sir. I mentioned Maria's relationship with Robert Jordan reflects Hemingway's vision of love and femininity. Maria had to sacrifice, self-sacrifice, and support to everything and every time to Robert Jordan. she loves Robert Jordan. Any uh, any aspect to Robert Jordan? So thank you.